If you want to be able to sort your dataset table that looks something like this is what you must do. I've got a dataset table here. I want to sort based on total sales here. I want to be able to show the highest sales number right at the top and the lowest at the bottom. So you're going to first convert this into a table. Place your cursor anywhere in your dataset table. Press Ctrl A and Ctrl T. And on this create table here, you're going to say OK to make that into a dataset table. Now you're going to select table design while selecting your new table here and give it a new name called, I'm going to call mine as xynet, like that, and hit enter. Once that's done, right click on the sheet name and then you're going to say view code. In here you're going to select this and select worksheet, and you're going to change selection change to change. As part of cleanup, I'm going to close this or remove this, and inside here you'll be adding the following VBA code. There's a couple of things on this VBA code you can change. This one is your table name. If you call this Apple, you're going to have to change this and this here. And this total sales is the column name. If I scroll this a bit to the right, this total sales pertains to the column name total sales because it's a table here. If you want to sort based on salesperson, you're going to change this to salesperson. If you need this VBA code, please leave a comment on the comment section and I'll copy paste the VBA code on the comment so they can have it and don't have to type it. I'm going to Ctrl S to save it and then close the VBA editor. Now, if you were to add a brand new record on your dataset table here like this, you can see that it's sorting based on total sales.